Yes, provide the caps to the chorus. लेके कैप लेके बंडल लेके ड्राइवर लेके वो लेके सेट कर दो. दूसरा teacher. What is the music you want to play for it? बोली है.
आप आलू करो तो आ जाते हैं.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम.
अच्छा ठीक है.
वज़ुहा
आप आलू करो तो आ जाते हैं.
वल्लैलि इज़ा सजा मा वद्दअक रब्बुक वमा क़ला वललआखिरतु खैरुल लक मिनल ऊला सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम. शुरू करता हूँ अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम करने वाला है. चढ़ते दिन की कसम और रात की कसम जब वो छा जाए कि आपको आपके रब ने नहीं छोड़ा और आपसे नाराज भी नहीं हुआ. बेशक आपके लिए और आने वाला वक्त पहले वक्त से बेहतर होगा. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, by the morning brightness and by the night when it covers with darkness, your Lord has not taken leave of you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, nor has he tested you, and the hereafter is better for you than the first life.
అనంత కరుణామయుడు అపార కృపాశీలుడు అయిన అల్లా పేరుతో ప్రారంభిస్తున్నాను. వేలుగు వీరజిల్లే పగలు సాక్షిగా ప్రశాంతంగా ఆవరించే రాత్రి సాక్షిగా ఓ ప్రవక్త, నీ ప్రభువు నిన్ను ఏమాత్రం విడనాడలేదు. నీ పట్ల ఆయన అసంతృప్తి చెందను లేదు. ధన్యవాదములు.
Celebration of unity, teamwork and personal growth.
Hey, do it properly, otherwise I will send it back. Tanya, I will send it back. You are not doing properly.
It is a celebration of unity, teamwork and personal growth. It's all about pushing boundaries, setting new records and discovering the strength.
Let's open to and side.
It's a big ceremony of a celebration of unity, teamwork and personal growth. Champions aren't made in the gym. Champions are made from something said by Muhammad Ali. Great boxers, champions. To succeed, you need to find something to hold on to. Something.
Hey!
It's in the mountains ahead to climb, that wear you to, that wear you out. It's the pebble in your shoe, said by Muhammad Ali, a great boxer champion.
Clap for them. Would you try to say the name of the parents? Right of the skip and follow to the Gusra teacher. And the student name also. The mother of a student. Student name and the parent name. And the teachers of the running race. We are going to start the running race now. Mustasa.
ज़्यादा ना वहाँ पर देखने का लंच करा के फिर उधर भी जाता है।
अरे यहाँ पे बोले कौन से
Clap for them. The first race from the nursery class, the main branch. Office bearers, write the names of the students. Clap for them. Next batch, be ready. Is the students ready? Shall we start? Students, say with me. 1, 2, 3. Run. Arrange the students of the nursery class. Office bearers, help the students. Don't just stand in the group over there. Help the students to stand in the line.
Ready, sir? 8 of students are ready, sir.
Ready, teacher? Yes. Is it ready, sir? Shall we start? Office bearers, be ready. I request the parents to please be seated. 2, 3, run. Clap for them. The next batch of the running race from the D block will be
Students ready, sir? Ready? Students are ready?
the students ready? 1, 2, 3, run. Go back, you have to go back. Final round. Ready? 1, 2, 3. This is the final round among the winners. Can we start? 1, 2, 3. One, student say with me, 1, 2, 3, run.
Now the final race.
2, 3, run. Are the students ready, teacher? Students say with me, 1, office bearers, keep the distance between the student. Suchitra teacher help the student. Keep 1 hand distance. Keep 1 hand distance, teachers. Office bearer. 2, 3, run.
मीटिंग नहीं है बोले थे आज भी क्या है
1. All the students say along with me. 1, 2, 3, run. I request the concerned class teachers to be 3, run. Run. Ready? 1, 2, 3, run.
कितना मेरा हटा हुआ है अरे पहला वो आ गया
A block teachers, arrange the students on the track. Cabinet members,
Run.
और क्या कर
Give a huge round of applause for Sri Hari Narayana Gadu, Deputy IAS, Bahadurpura, Hyderabad.
आइए सर अच्छा था आपका
A block teachers, senior students, be ready. A block, ready?
Munaf Zulfikar Khan, FLA Charundar will be arriving soon. And the teachers, please don't allow any
सीनियर आया वो हाँ सीनियर क्लास बी ब्लॉक हाँ बराबर
नेक्स्ट क्लास पार्टिसिपेट्स कॉल
how it is both यहाँ से second and third position yes दोनों अलग अलग काम
Just
Moment teacher, ready? The instruct the student that they have to pick up that ribbon over here. It's ready. 1, 2, 3, run! Subia, is you ready? Please. 1, 2, 3, run! Subia.
भागो 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 भागो
जनाब मीन
आप साइड में आके आ जाओ।
इट्स टाइम टू लीड द मशाल।
आप करते थे काम आवे अरे
करते हैं बच्चे करते नहीं करते बोलो
आराम से गिरा
देखिए देखिए देखिए
आराम से ज़्यादा चेहरा पीछे थोड़ा थोड़ा पीछे तो
आप लोग पीरियड बैठ जाए ना, आप लोग पूरे
सही है। एक मिनट है ना बोलिए
Leading the torch, signifying the traditional initiation of the sports day. We have, it shows the symbol.
अहमद
इधर एक खाली सा बोला आराम से आराम से आराम से
पिछड़ो जी
एक पेपर पे एक अच्छा
पिछड़ो बेटे पिछड़ो तो
खाली सब बोला खाली सब ऐसा आइए हल रहा है, पकड़ लो सर। नेशनल
Parents, please settle down. Parents are requested to sit in the tent.
Hello.
The key to study success is a great school, and the key to great school is a great principal. Now, I would like to give a respectful call to Mr. Fazalur Rahman sir to say a few words on this interesting occasion.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm very much honored to be here and extend a warm welcome to the chief guest of the today's function, Janab Mir Zulfikar Ali Sahab, MLA Charminar, who has graciously accepted our invitation and are here to celebrate a traditional annual sports day event. We are all spellbound by your achievements and contributions to the field of the education. A hearty welcome to the parents and the families that never fails to impress us with the constant support and zeal they exhibit in allowing the children to take part in the competitions and balance the academics as well. We are so grateful to the teachers who have worked tirelessly to carry forward the tradition of this day every year with so much concern and attention to detail. Your dedication to making this success is infectious and students' motivation has only risen. The non-teaching staff, who are the real heroes that work diligently behind the scenes without demanding any recognition during every event, are truly deserving of appreciation. The participants and all the students have shown so much enthusiasm for the event this year. It is your efforts and commitment that is evident in the march past and the drills. To begin with, I am sure you will be doing exceedingly well in the competition as well. It is also important to remember the winning and losing are only part of the game. Enjoy the game, play well, then you will be the real winners. I request the concerned teachers to maintain discipline at the back. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Mohsin Balala Sahab, in charge Charminar, to on the dais. Now our ex-student also our guest now, Mr. Mannan, the ex-student of New Model High School, mashallah. Today he has arrived here as a guest. Go to your respective place. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Honorable Chief Guest of the today's function, Janab Mir Zulfikar Ali Sahab, MLA Charminar constituency and the ex-mayor Hyderabad, respected Sri Suman Raj Mohan Garu, Corporator Puranapur, respected Janab Mohsin bin Balala Sahab, in charge Charminar constituency, respected Sri Hari Narayan Garu, Deputy Inspector of School Bahadurpura Mandal, respected Dr. Muhammad Imam Tahsin Sahab, respected Janab Sayyid Taqiyuddin Sahab, Vice President Komi, respected Janab Khalid bin Mazi Sahab, Area President, and our ex-student also is on the dais. We feel very proud that Mr. Mannan, we can say here, he is here, mashallah. Just clap for him. हमारे पास के एक्स स्टूडेंट है जो आज हमारे साथ स्टेज शेयर कर रहे हैं, ये बहुत खुशी की बात है. प्लीज Janab Mohsin Ahmed Sahab, Husamuddin Sahab, distinguished guests, dear parents, teachers and my dear students. Good afternoon everyone. I welcome you all to the primary section annual sports meet of the New Model High School. It gives me immense pleasure to see the prominent personality together and celebrate this yet another auspicious meet, as well as the achievement of our students in the various competitions. On this occasion, I would like to acknowledge the dignitaries who join us today, and their presence surely make us this event a grand success. On the top,
I would like to take this opportunity to extend a hearty and a warm welcome to our chief guest of the today's sports meet, Janab Mir Zulfikar Ali Sahab, MLA Charminar constituency. It is indeed a privilege to welcome a renowned leader like Janab Mir Zulfikar Ali Sahab, has achieved a great success in the political field and has significantly contributed to the community. His dedication toward his work is much appreciable. We are very much honored to have Mir Zulfikar Ali Sahab with us today to witness the Sports Day. On behalf of the whole unit of the New Model High School, I would like to thank Janab Mir Zulfikar Ali Sahab for taking out the time to be with us. It is indeed a great pleasure for all of us to share with him. Thank you very much, sir. Now I would like to give a collective welcome to all the dignitaries on the rise. I welcome you all from the bottom of my heart on this Sports Day meet. I welcome our esteemed parents and all the invitees of the today's event who are here from far and near. I hope this day find you in the best of the spirit. We all should know the importance of the game and importance of the exercise in our daily activities. With this, we can maintain good health, we can gain mental and the physical strength also. I congratulate and wish all the young sportsmen for a bright future. I appreciate my staff members who look forward in carrying out these activities. Their efforts have contributed in the rising the overall growth of the students and it building their future. I also appreciate and thank the contribution made by our school parents whose cooperation lead to the success of any event. We are proud that New Model High School emphasizes the overall growth of the student. I hope all the students will perform well in all the spheres of life. I wish all the best to our participants and I wish to bring the bright future of my students. May Allah help us to do the good in the cause of the development of the future of the citizen of the nation. I declare the Sports Day meet to be begun. Thank you very much.
Now I request our chief guest on the dais to say a few words.
Chair एक पीछे बेटर
स्टेज पे खाली औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम आली जनाब सुन्नम राजमोहन साहब एरिया कॉरपोरेटर, आले जनाब मोहसिन बिन अब्दुल्ला बलाला साहब, आले जनाब हरि नारायण गारू साहब, डिप्टी डीओ बहादुरपुरा, आले जनाब टीचर्स and parents. It's a privilege for me to be associated with you at the inauguration of your Sports Day, and I am thankful to Mr. Khalil Rahman Sahab that he invited me for this function. Just now I saw the drill show here. That reminds me my childhood, my school days. Whenever this type of functions were held, we used to do the drill in our school. And only I will say a few words that just education is must. Without education, you cannot achieve anything in this world. And I request the parents that they should see that their children are getting proper education, because they are the future of our community, future of our nation. So education is must. And I say to the children that you don't have any work, except you have to do your proper education, you have to study well, because your parents are spending so much of money, their hard-earned money on your education. So your job is that you should study well and you should become IAS, IPS, IFS, lawyers, doctors, engineers. You have to be for our nation and for our community. So with these few words, again I am very, very thankful to Mr. Khalilur Rahman Sahab, because I have to go to Darussalam. I have got important work there, people are waiting there. So I am again thankful to Mr. Khalilur Rahman Sahab that he invited me for this function, and best of luck to Mr. Khalilur Rahman that he should perform all his duties well in the field of education. Khuda Hafiz.
इधर साइड से आप इधर साइड से
Teachers, make sure that you are ready with your winners. Soon while the winners are going to get their prizes. I request all the block teachers, make sure the winners are with you when the... Sabah Fatima, Tanveer Hassan and Qasim. Sabah Fatima first prize, Tanveer Hassan second prize, Qasim third prize. Running students bring the prize. Maliha, the parent of Maliha class nursery got the first prize in the musical chairs for the parents competition. Respected teachers, make sure that you are making them stand in a alignment, that is first, second and third order.
Wait.
C block teachers, make your students ready. Sabah Fatima got the first. Senior class, she received the first prize. She got the first prize in the musical chair competition held for the parents. Congratulations, ma'am.
तहसीन भाई मेरा नंबर छुपरा
मैम थोड़ा पीछे ही आप
बस
She knows now. And clapping for them. Sabah Fatima, Tanveer Hassan and Qasim.
सर इधर देखिए सर
Azan second prize, Mutalib second prize,
थोड़ा पीछे
Sidra got third prize. For the game first prize, Azan second prize.
थोड़े पीछे
हाँ पीछे डो
Dance and class teachers, bring your students near the dice. Prize.
अरे बेटे
Block A teachers, please pay attention. Bring your students near the dice. For the game, pick up the things. And
जिया भाई इधर देखना
Muhammad Khan got first prize. Zainab second prize. Naila third prize.
ये ज्यादा रखिए आप इधर आ जाइए सर
A, B, C, D, junior, finish, smaller.
Block B students, class senior for the game running. For the game running, Hasnain got first prize, Shahzab second prize, Mudassir third prize. Sayyid Shahan first prize, Sheikh Zubair second prize.
आ जाओ कैसे में खरी बढ़िया जरा
चलो मैं आता फिर